Are you an appliance repair contractor? Do you work on the high-end brands such as Viking, Sub-Zero, Thermador, Dacor, and Wolf? If so, are you ready to take on more repair jobs each month? Our qualified calls are different than other sources. We generate qualified leads all across the United States that actually close, with about 90% of those repairs being in the high-end brands we just mentioned. If you are looking to take on more high-end repair jobs each month, you can contact us at the link below or in our description to see if you qualify and to see if your city is still available. We maintain a high standard of clientele to ensure that a quality repair service is provided to our leads. And unlike HomeAdvisor and many other lead sources, we only sell leads to one appliance repair company in each city. So once a city has an established appliance repair service, that city's spoken for. And our clients get to track their leads in real time through our dashboard that gives them everything from call notes on the repair job all the way to the call recordings themselves. Schedule a free consultation with us today, and thank you for choosing LA Digital Marketing.